Hello dear friends, welcome to today's class. I'm going to talk about the academic paragraph. The first thing that I would like to tell you is that the academic paragraph has four key parts. The first part is the topic sentence, that is the key topic in the paragraph. The second one is the development. It is going to be related to the main ideas. Then we have the example that is going to be support your evidence and to make it credible. At the end, we have the summary or the conclusion that is going to be the overall main points summarized. Here we have an example of a basic paragraph. Here in the paragraph structure, as you can see, in the blue part we have the topic sentence. In the green part we have the development of the academic paragraph. In the yellow part we have some examples, and in red we have the conclusion or the summary of the academic paragraph. Remember, my dear friends, that the topic sentence is going to tell you what are you going to talk about in the complete academic paragraph. It is important to use some connecting terms. For example, according to, for example, improving profitability, everything must be very related to the main topic. Also, references are important. I'm going to provide you three examples of this. According to, you are going to mention the author. Also, you are going to mention the author, and you can use provides evidence that. Another example is providing the author at the end of the reference. Also, cohesive devices are very important, like this, that, and that. Thank you so much, my dear friends. That's everything for today.